I've gotten a couple questions on how as a financial advisor, how am I teaching my own kids with money, or how would clients teach their grandchildren about money? And there's multiple ways of doing it. There's games, there's video games, there's uh, books, there's videos, there's tutorials, YouTube channels and stuff. But this book resonated well with me. It's the opposite of spoil, and it basically has a concept of you have, when you have income, you have three jars. You have money that you spend now, money that you save for later, and then money that you give away. And so we do this in our household with my 3 and 5-year-old daughter, with everything. For example, this year for Halloween candy, we had 3 little jars, and they put in pieces of candy in each jar, and they get to decide the amounts. And it was a fun activity, but gives you the concept and the framework of that we need money now to enjoy, we need money later, and that we need to get back.